Hello everybody, it's Lisa Brown, Brown Girls Crafting. This is a Prego spaghetti jar that we had, and I'm putting some bonding boss on it so that I can add my paint to it, just some acrylic paint to it. We're going to go ahead and put this on and then just dry it real good. You want to make sure this is good and dry so that your paint will adhere to it. I decided to go ahead and use some Folk Art antique white paint that I had. I'm going to use a sea sponge that I picked up at Hobby Lobby the other day because I kind of want a little bit of texture on here. So once we have this all painted, and it doesn't take very long to paint it, I did have to put like maybe 2 coats on it just so that I could fill in any holes or little spaces around like the neck part or down around the bottom. I think this turned out really cute. I'll have to give you another little honey paper because this one, like I said, had been bought out of stock. So I will be putting one on after this video. And you are free to use the ones that I print to do your projects. I'm just using a little bit of water going around my edges, making sure I get all of that off. Once I get it all off, we're going to go ahead and put some of the antique white on here. Even though I already told you what I was doing, I'm kind of going out of order. This said antique white, and you can see in the bottle it doesn't look that white right there in front of me. But when I got it on the bottle, I guess maybe it might be the lighting. It's just a little more yellow, but honestly, it's honey. It's going to look cute. We're going to tone it down just a little bit in the end. I put some of my decoupage glue on the back of my rice paper, and I'm just tapping it down. And now I'm putting a really heavy coat of the decoupage glue over the top to seal this in, making sure that it's all sealed, and we're going to dry that really good. I think this turned out really cute. We're going to go ahead and dry that, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the same little brush I've been using that has some of the dark wax on it, and we're going to go all the way around the edges and kind of grunge it up just a little bit to dampen that bright yellow look that the antique white had. This is a piece of cheesecloth that I have. Actually, this is tobacco cloth. I'm sorry. The tobacco cloth that I have, and we're going to make a little circle and put around it. I'm going to trim all of this down to where I don't have a lot of it hanging down. I kind of want it to have like a little short ring around the top of it so I don't take away from the paper here. But if you want to do and see what the other papers they have, type hashtag DC and a link will go to your page. And check out all the rice papers. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you later.